What's up, guys? Today I'm making a trade recap. I made like 120 bucks today. Basically break even trade. Made like 60 bucks on each account. But still, I mean, green's green, so it doesn't really matter. Break even's fine. The summer PA is just a little choppy, you know. It's a little iffy, but it'll get better as time goes on. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you like and subscribe. If you want to join my free Discord, there's a link in the description. Thank you guys so much. So first, you're gonna see the live trade. Yeah, I'm reacting out of the external very well. I don't know if we get a retrace the CIST. Kind of like this. I don't know if we'll get that big of a retrace. That's the inverse. I don't think we ever tapped it. That's the inverse. I mean, the 15-minute definitely doesn't help. We'll see what happens. It's good risk. Alright, see you, Leno. See you, Leno. Yeah, Leno never trades Friday. I think I have to stay true to the bullish market. Buy model. This isn't bad. I'm a fan of it. I mean, I'd rather be on this trade than any other. No. I'm just gonna let this ride. It either hits TP or stop loss. I think it hits TP. I got a lot of faith in this setup. Depends if ES can start to... We'll see. That's what I thought too. We have a nice soup. I think, I mean, we're going to probably get this close above these highs right here. I doubt we go that low again and see all the way. I mean, we're going to open a 4 hour though, but I don't, if we get this 4 hour inverse, that'd be nice. Yeah. Sucks we already took internal high. We'll see what happens. If we inverse this 3 minute, probably not ideal. I'm kind of fine with this setup though. I mean, hourly fair value gap, turtle soup. The only bad thing about this is we already took internal highs. Holy candle. That's good volume you want to see. It's great volume actually. I want to see that internal high for break even. Which we should. Break even now. I mean, anything now is whatever. Because look at where we are. Your friends are there to tell you you went too far. I met someone new last night and we kicked it. Pretty good standard deviation too. Just let this baby eat. And you know it's on my mind. Now if you had my life. If ES starts to speed up, we'll be good. ES 15 minutes look really good. ES hit the hourly too. I'm pretty confident we hit this. A little over 2R, but we shouldn't really stop anywhere else. Just how I feel when I'm around you, shawty. Say it, but girl, we both thought it. You and your goddamn options, Mark. I'm just gonna let it eat. I'm not scared of it, she ain't either. And if you... Hey, Lana, are you still here? I know he said he left, but he says he's still here. Yeah, we'll see if they want us to eat or not. That is the real question, which they should. ES looks like it's going to pick up here. Look at ES's 5 minute candle. That's really promising. That 15 minute looks buttery. Looks real good. Imagine I'm like, no, we're going all the way up here. This is my TP today. And we're gonna get a nice, whatever you want to call this, continuation candle close here on every time frame. Get my video rolling. Man, you know what? Never take more than 100 point, just saying his style. How many points is this? Yeah, real shit. You targeting a 1 hour gap? It's a 4 hour, but yeah. Yeah. ES should start to fly, then we should fly, I think. Let's see, did I hit my 2R? I wouldn't even hit 2R yet. This would be a rancid break even. Boy, if you get... No way we just hit it. If this hits a little BE, geez Louise. Jiminy Crickets. After all these closures, we're going to hit a little BE. Does not look good if we inverse that 3 minute. Yeah. I mean, I'd like to get a winning day today, but we'll see. We just had to put in an hourly bottom wick, I think. Yeah, you're alright. It's 3 minute CISD right there. ES, man. ES can like fucking eat a bag of dicks lately. We'll see. I mean, we would have hit 1-to-1, but who wants a 1-to-1? Give us a little inverse. A little closure above here would be sick. If we break above here, I'm probably going to trail my stop so I can secure a winning day. It's just always going to be a less probable trade, though, when you already took, like, the internal draw, kind of, before. ES is just a little cunt. ES just wants to sell. I'm about to turn off the ES chart. I don't even want to see ES's chart. Give me some big dicks up and close above this high. I'm rolling on. Run away. You say, but you never changed. Change. 44. Halfway through. As I ever knew. 44. Oh. I honestly don't know if we're gonna go to TP or not. Looks like not. Yeah, break even, man. Did you take this trade too, Mark? But he took 3 fucking trades today. He's in everything. You're not in something Markonomics ain't in. This would be huge CIST here. This is a huge candle right here. Holy. Don't call me. That's all that matters. But once we hit this internal high, probably going to pull stop. I don't think, I mean... Dude, Mark, I gotta write like a 4-page paper today, single spaced. Is it worth pulling my stop? I mean, logically, if we don't... $60 worth it, like 7. I mean, if we break through this, we're probably gonna hit me break even, logically speaking. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys the trade recap and why I kind of took that trade. So starting out, right, we can remove all our drawings. We don't really need to see so going into the day, I was pretty bullish overall, just because why we kind of have this rebalance point right here that I'm expecting us to get to. And then we also have this hourly we were in. Obviously price now has bought up more, but so you see we're in this bullish area right here. Then if you zoom in more, we had this high right here that we hadn't taken yet. So around market open, I kind of got upset because I didn't take a trade I wanted to, but it ended up for the better. So there was an SMT right here. And this is kind of a clear buy model. Yeah, is it super ugly and not the cleanest buy model? Yes, but it is a buy model overall. And so I wanted to get shorts off there, but we never got the retracement to the 2-minute inversion right here. Now we did do the CISD, then we took these lows right here, but I mean obviously that would probably be your break even point. So then going back, I was like, okay, what are we doing? Well, we're still in this hourly. We're still respecting it. We put in a mean wick right here, right? So we turtle soup these lows inside of it. Basically, turtle soup is just a sweep of liquidity inside of a higher time frame imbalance. As you see, there was an hourly imbalance with the sweep of the lows. Now, so obviously that's a super predictable thing that looks very good to be bullish, but what makes it look not as good is because we already took the internal high. So now if you kind of stretch this out, we're really only trading this model right here to this high. But I wanted to see the external buy side liquidity get taken. Let's pull this back over here. So for example, we take these lows, clear rejection wick on the 5-minute. I zoom into the 1-minute. We get a nice CISD to the upside. What is a CISD? It's a change in the state of delivery, basically like a kind of a reversal thing. But at that CISD, we obviously create 1-minute. But I kind of wanted to see this. We had a 3-minute inversion right here that I wanted to see get inverse. So we inverse this 3-minute bearish fair value gap, and that kind of confirms to me that we are going to see it higher for at least a bit. So I set my limit at the inversion, because majority of the time we're going to tap the inversion. We tap the inversion. I put my low here. I get in for about 3 cons. So I get in right there. We chop, chop, chop. We eventually get some big candles to the upside. This internal high was my break-even point. Now, the reason I didn't want to take anything off there, why? Because it's barely 1-to-1, and it's just not worth it for me to trade barely a 1-to-1. That's not the thing I like. I was open to maybe taking off at like 2R, but we didn't quite get to 2R yet. So, I mean, that happens. What else? Yeah, and then we kind of just started to chop. 10 a.m. came. I said, okay, we had this 3-minute bullish fair value up right here, and I was like, well, if this gets inverse, we're definitely going to see lower, right? That's just kind of how the market works. And so we inverse this and we see lower clearly. At that time, we get a nice, we kind of got juked out because we get a little sweep right here of some internal lows. We get a nice 1-minute change in the state here. So I thought maybe this was going to be our final push up. So at that point, I didn't want to see any lower. So then I pull my stop from full break even to, we'll make this a template. We pull our stop up a little bit to about, I think it would have been like right here, just to secure $60, right? Just to secure something, because something's better than nothing at the end of the day. Obviously, I knew if we didn't go from here, because it's pretty clear that if we don't go from here, we're not going to go. So, secure $60, it is what it is. Just another break-even day. Markets, just, it's the price action, it's summertime. Not too bad with the week overall. Couple wins, couple losses, doing pretty good. This loss, could have been avoided, but just wrong bias. But overall, pretty happy with that overall. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe. If you want to join my Discord, it's free. Link in the description. Thank you so much, and God bless.